大家好，我是常老师。今天我们说一说中文里面的麻烦。In Chinese, there are many words that you can find many equivalent words in English or other languages. 麻烦 belongs to these words. This is a very interesting and very emotional word in Chinese because the key to use this word appropriately, you must to show your corresponding facial expression and intonation. Some intonation kind of little bit peaceful, normal. It's like, for example, I'm a teacher. I said, 麻烦你把作业交一下. Simply meaning, please turn in your work. It's not trouble. Here, it doesn't mean trouble. It's just like a please. And then sometimes you want to ask somebody, you can say, 麻烦你了. Like, thank you for doing it. Or, I've been bothering you. And sometimes you can with some kind of like intonation. 麻烦你了. Like you're begging somebody to do a favor. And the other person should respond with 不麻烦. Like, it's okay, you're welcome, it's nothing. And when you ask somebody, 麻烦不麻烦, meaning, is it difficult to do or not? And when you change the intonation, you say, 麻烦不麻烦, meaning it's too much to do it, so much. Or it's too much trouble. And then when you say 麻烦不麻烦, is it hard to do it? And then if it is, the person would respond say with 很麻烦. It is difficult to do it. And when somebody say 太麻烦了, it's too much work or too much trouble. And in other scenarios, said 太麻烦了, meaning it's too much trouble. It's going to be too big trouble. And when you say 麻烦死了, you know 死 meaning die, death. 死了 means dead. So when you say this, it literally meaning troublesome to death, which means it's extremely troublesome. And when somebody bother you too much, you would say, 怎么这么麻烦? Why is so much trouble? Or, why is it so difficult to do it? And sometimes you can tell somebody, says, 你真麻烦, you're really trouble. And you can say, 你怎么这么麻烦? Why are you such a trouble? Why are you making so much trouble? 你怎么这么麻烦? And another scenario is, 老板来了, 这下麻烦大了. The boss is here. 这下 here, 这下 meaning like right now. 麻烦大了. It's going to be big trouble. Big trouble. So, this is what means 麻烦 in Chinese. It has so many meanings, and depending how you use your facial expression and intonation to use this word.